So we just learned how to introduce ourselves in Spanish and ask some basic questions. But there's actually two ways to ask all of the questions that we just asked, because in Spanish there is an informal and a formal way to say you in the singular form. So we learned how to say tú, which is our informal you, which we use when we want to show closeness or around people we feel comfortable or equal to, right? We use tú. But there's also a formal version of the singular you, which is usted. And usted means you when we're talking to people that we respect, or maybe strangers, people we want to show formality towards. So there are also ways to ask our question using usted, and they change a little bit. So for example, if I want to ask you how you're doing and I'm using the informal tú, we say ¿Cómo estás? With the AS, right? Estás. And if we want to use the formal usted, we're going to say ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? In a more formal way. And you would answer the exact same way: estoy bien, estoy mal, o estoy más o menos. So let's practice. If I ask you ¿Cómo está usted? You would say yo estoy bien, mal, más o menos. Alright, and the rest of our questions can also be changed to reflect the formal usted. So if I wanted to ask, where are you from? In a more formal way, I could say, ¿De dónde es usted? Where are you from? And again, you answer the exact same way, soy de, and wherever you are from. So let's practice. ¿De dónde es usted? Alright, and our other question, ¿Dónde vives? In our tú form, to make that formal, we say ¿Dónde vive usted? Just take off the S. ¿Dónde vive usted? And you would answer the same way, vivo en, and wherever you live. So let's practice. ¿Dónde vive usted? Alright, and our last question, we would change to make it formal by saying ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? How old are you? And again, you answer the exact same way, tengo años. So let's practice. Do you remember your age? Think back to those numbers. Okay, so if I ask you ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? You're going to say tengo años. Ready? ¿Cuántos años tiene usted?